What happens when you give ChatGPT and a Cyborg one pot and some salmon? Today, we're cooking a creamy salmon soup with the sleek stainless steel pot from a Cookware King, all with one hand and a little help from AI. Let's do this.
Let's unbox the new stainless steel pot from Cookware King.
Tri-ply stainless steel, dishwasher and oven safe, works on any stovetop. The handles stay cool, even when the soup is hot. Get 15% off with my code, link below. Here's what you'll need for creamy Norwegian-style salmon soup. Medium potatoes, 400 grams salmon, 1 or 2 red bell pepper, 1 or 2 onion, 200 gram heavy cream, 1 or 2 lemon, 1 carrot, sliced 1 or 2 tbsp chopped dill, 1 or 2 spoonfuls of Provençal herbs, 20 gram vegetable oil, 20 grams butter, 1.4 water salt, pepper. Pour a little vegetable oil and add 20 grams of butter to the bottom of the Cookware King pot. Then fry the onion, then add 1 carrot, sliced, 2 medium potatoes, diced, 1 hot 2 red bell pepper, and simmer. Pour in 1.5 liters of water and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. Then add 400 grams of salmon, pour in 200 grams of heavy cream, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Provençal herbs, squeeze half a lemon, bring to a boil, cook for 3 minutes and leave covered. Before serving this delicious Norwegian salmon soup, add finely chopped dill, salt and pepper to taste and serve. Very tasty and rich flavor. The soup takes literally 20 minutes to prepare. Thank you GPT Chat for the delicious recipe for Norwegian salmon soup, and Cookware King for tri-ply stainless steel, dishwasher and oven safe. Works on any stovetop. The handles stay cool, even when the soup is hot. If I can cook this one-handed, you've got no excuse. Shout out to a Cookware King official for this powerful pot. Use my link and code for 15% off.